Hi there, cooking enthusiasts! Are you tired of struggling with flimsy scissors that barely cut through a simple chicken bone? If you want the best heavy-duty kitchen shears to make your daily meal prep an absolute breeze, you have landed in the perfect spot. Welcome to Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Gidley heavy-duty kitchen shears, this amazing tool is an absolute game-changer for serious home cooks who demand incredible versatility and raw strength. We all know how frustrating it can be to prepare a big dinner when your tools are not up to the task. You might be dealing with a whole roasted chicken, tough cuts of beef, or thick seafood shells, and standard scissors simply bend. Built from exceptionally durable, premium stainless steel, these shears are engineered to handle the toughest jobs. You can confidently slice right through whole chickens, prep fresh seafood, and trim tough meats without breaking a sweat. They are equally fantastic for lighter tasks like rapidly chopping crisp vegetables, slicing fruits, or finely snipping delicate herbs. The sheer durability makes them the ideal companion for everyday indoor meal prep or outdoor grilling. What makes these shears truly special is that they are so much more than just a pair of scissors. The Gidley brand understands that drawer space is highly valuable in any modern kitchen. To help you reduce annoying clutter, they have designed these shears with multiple built-in tools that give you ultimate functionality. You will find a highly convenient bottle opener integrated right into the design, perfect for cracking open a cold beverage by the grill. Additionally, they feature a built-in fruit and vegetable peeler, allowing you to skin carrots without digging for a separate gadget. If you love fresh seafood, you will also deeply appreciate the highly effective built-in fish scaler. When working with raw meats, keeping your tools perfectly clean is a massive priority. One of the biggest problems with traditional kitchen scissors is that food particles and dangerous bacteria easily get trapped right in the center hinge, making them difficult to wash. The Gidley shears completely solve this stressful issue with their brilliant, easily detachable blades. With a simple motion, you can take the two halves of the scissors apart. This allows you to thoroughly rinse every single inch of the stainless steel blades. Furthermore, they feature a fully dishwasher-safe design, meaning you can simply toss the separated blades right into your dishwasher after a heavy cooking session and let the machine work. Comfort and safety become incredibly important when doing heavy cutting. The Gidley brand prioritized your safety by giving these shears a premium slip-resistant grip. When you are cooking, your hands often get wet or covered in oils, which can make holding sharp tools dangerous. This specially designed grip ensures that the shears stay firmly planted in your hand at all times, providing amazing stability and pinpoint precision in every motion. The handle design is also completely universal, making it perfectly comfortable for both left-handed and right-handed users to enjoy. Aesthetically, these shears are a joy to look at. They feature a sleek brushed steel finish that gives them a professional feel, making them look like a top-tier tool found in a commercial kitchen. Because they perform so well, they come packaged in a gorgeous, gift-ready box, making them a perfect present for passionate grillers or dedicated home cooks who appreciate quality gear. Inside that beautiful box, you also get a specialized tightening wrench. With this included wrench, you can easily adjust the tension of the blades to your exact personal preference as time goes on. To top it all off, Gidley stands firmly behind their product by backing these heavy-duty kitchen scissors with an incredible lifetime guarantee, as well as a one-time free replacement offer. This gives you ultimate peace of mind, knowing your investment is fully protected. These shears flawlessly combine high-end functionality, rugged durability, and modern style. From routine meal prep to specialty cutting tasks, they deliver the exact precision and long-lasting reliability you really need. Are you ready to upgrade your cooking toolkit and say goodbye to weak, frustrating scissors? Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing kitchen gear and helpful product finds. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will catch you in the next one.